come running in with these billy clubs that is solid steel encased in wood. They not gonna say stop. They gonna be holler stop fighting while they running up on you, but when they get up on you, they swinging. And you think the guy you fighting nicked you up. When one of them clubs hit you, oh my God. Oh my God. I'm talking about it opens. I seen the guy get hit with it. It just ripped, it hit him right here and just opened everything.
Mm.
So that's why when I fought them guards, you know, I knew how to fight them.